Alibaba just dropped something that is sending shockwaves through the AI community. And interestingly, it is not a massive new flagship model, but a series of incredibly small ones. They recently launched their new Qwen 3.5 small model series, and it is already giving the lightweight versions of OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini some very tough competition. Even Elon Musk had to chime in on this release, taking to X to call the model's performance a prime example of impressive intelligence density. So here is what you need to know about the lineup. Alibaba released 4 new compact models, a zero point 0.8 billion, 2 billion, 4 billion and 9 billion parameter version. They are taking what you could call a shotgun approach, releasing a wide range of sizes to cover every possible consumer use case. Instead of just focusing on one massive model, they have made the open weights publicly available on Hugging Face and Model Scope, offering both a base version for researchers who want to fine-tune from scratch and an instruct version for immediate deployment. The absolute star of the show here is the Qwen 3.59B model. Despite its small size, Alibaba claims its performance is comparable to the massive systems powering ChatGPT and Gemini. In benchmark tests covering logical reasoning, math problem solving, document understanding, and multilingual knowledge, the 9B model scores in the exact same range as much larger AI systems, performing remarkably close to a 120 billion parameter model. To give you an idea of the progression we are seeing in the industry, while parameter sizes in the 9 to 12 billion range have stayed roughly the same over the last few years, our ability to pack more knowledge into them has massively increased due to better architectures, higher quality training data, and advanced distillation techniques. But here is where things get really exciting for developers and everyday users. All four of these new models support native multimodal processing, meaning they can handle both text and images simultaneously within a single model. Because they require far less memory and computing power, these models are specifically designed to run locally on edge devices where resources are limited. We are talking about running powerful AI natively on consumer grade laptops, smartphones, tablets, and even IoT devices like the Raspberry Pi 4 and Raspberry Pi 5. Imagine being on an airplane with zero internet connection and still being able to vibe code your next project because the AI is running entirely offline on your local machine. Running models locally on edge devices gives you complete privacy, low latency, and removes the need to rely entirely on expensive cloud based API servers. As AI adoption grows beyond simple coding and moves toward physical AI and real world data collection, having a multimodal model that can process images directly on a low power IoT device is going to be an absolute game changer. With companies like Google and OpenAI pushing their own lightweight models, like Gemini Nano, the race for highly efficient, compact AI is definitely heating up. But by putting out this incredibly capable Qwen 3.5 series, Alibaba is proving they are incredibly well positioned to dominate the edge computing market. So, what do you think about this massive shift towards smaller, edge compatible AI? As AI adoption continues to grow beyond simple coding and expands into physical AI and IoT devices, Alibaba's Qwen 3.5 series proves that you don't always need massive cloud servers to get top tier performance. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on testing out any of these lightweight models locally on your own laptop or edge devices. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay up to date on the latest AI breakthroughs, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.